Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you a simple way to connect HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI using the 2026 setup. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign into your HubSpot account. After that, open a new tab, go to powerbi.microsoft.com, and log in with your Microsoft account. Once both dashboards are open, we're ready to start building real-time analytics using your HubSpot data. To pull HubSpot data into Power BI, you'll need Power BI Desktop installed on your computer. Open it, and from the home screen, click Get Data. In the list of data sources, choose Web. This option lets Power BI connect to HubSpot using an API link. Now, go back to HubSpot and click the Settings gear. Under Integrations, select Private Apps. Create a new private app, choose the permissions for contacts, companies, and deals, and then copy your access token. This token allows Power BI to securely connect to your HubSpot account. Go back to Power BI and paste your HubSpot API endpoint URL. When prompted, use the access token to authenticate the connection. Once connected, Power BI will display the available data tables from HubSpot. You can choose contacts, companies, deals, and other objects based on what you want to analyze. After selecting the tables, click Load. Now your HubSpot data is inside Power BI. From here, you can build dashboards using bar charts, line graphs, filters, and KPIs to track performance. You can visualize deal stages, revenue trends, lead sources, or conversion rates all in one place. To keep everything updated automatically, publish your report to the Power BI service and turn on scheduled refresh. This allows Power BI to pull fresh data from HubSpot at regular intervals without manual updates. And that's it. That's the simple way to connect HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI using the 2026 setup. Once connected, your sales and marketing data becomes easier to analyze, smarter to track, and faster to act on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see